Spent £200 on business cards, and they still looked worse. Today, I'll show you how to create professional cards in Canva for free in under 15 minutes. Let's jump in. Choose a template. Open Canva and search for business card. Now, find free templates and then pick a layout with a clear structure. Your name should stand out, your job title should be slightly smaller, and your contact details should be easy to read. Don't stress about colors or fonts yet. You can customize everything. Customize the design. Click on any text to edit it. Use one strong, bold font for your name and a simple, clean font for everything else. Keep it minimal. Update the colors to match your brand. Add your logo if you have one. Here is a pro tip. Try a dark background with light text. It instantly feels more premium and grabs attention. Polish it. Add a QR code that links to your website. Use social media icons instead of just typing your handles. Don't ignore the back of the card. Add your logo, a tagline, or keep it sleek and minimal. Check the bleed area if you're printing professionally. Export and close. Download it as PDF print for the best print quality. Use PNG if you're sharing it digitally. And that's it. You just saved yourself £200. Check the description for the free template and Canva Pro trial. Subscribe for more. And next week, I'll show you how to start selling these designs. See you then.